Hey there, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. Today I want to talk with you about a very common question I received over my last 12 years in this industry. And that's, how do I know if I need to replace or if I can just refinish my kitchen cabinets? And there's really 5 key ways to make that determination. So I want to walk through those with you so you can make your own determination if you would like to replace or refinish your kitchen cabinets. So the first reason to replace would be if there's a structural issue with your cabinets. And you'd know that by just looking at them to see if, for example, where the joints occur, if there's kind of some gaps there, or if the doors and the drawers are falling apart, or even if like the hinges and where they connect to the face frame, if those are compromised and kind of falling off or splitting the stiles or things like that. If there's significant structural issues with your cabinets, that's usually a surefire reason to replace them as opposed to refinishing them. Now the next reason to replace instead of refinish is if you do not like the layout of your kitchen. So if your sink is located here, but you want it over here, or your refrigerator's here and you want it here, those types of things are very difficult to do if you don't replace your cabinets. It's very difficult to modify your existing cabinets and accommodate significant layout changes. The next reason you may want to replace is if you really just want all the bells and whistles that new cabinets have to offer. Cabinets these days tend to be much more drawer intensive as opposed to doors. Very difficult to make that modification on existing cabinets. Also, modifications for things like spice pullouts or trash pullouts, those types of things are also not impossible, but difficult to retrofit into existing cabinets. Another reason to replace as opposed to refinish has to do with your appliances, or should I say new appliances. Are they going to fit in the old locations? For example, is the refrigerator that you're potentially going to purchase too wide for the existing refrigerator opening, or actually more commonly, a little bit too tall? Or if you want to convert to a wall oven as opposed to more of a range type of configuration, is there a good spot in those existing cabinets to retrofit for that new appliance layout? That would be another reason to replace the cabinets, is if your appliance package that you're wanting is not compatible with the existing cabinets. And the last reason you might want to consider replacing as opposed to refinishing is if the cabinets have already been refinished in the past and perhaps even damaged in the course of doing so. We've actually come in and seen some projects in the past where they've refinished the cabinets, and because of the methodology that they used during that refinish, there's no way to refinish the cabinets again. So I'm talking about things like a refacing of cabinets or applying a veneer. Those types of things make refinishing nearly impossible on an old set of cabinets. Perhaps you need some consultation on your own home about this whole replace versus refinish decision point. What we'd love to do is have you talk with a member of our team and schedule a free in-home consultation. We'd come out to your home, we'd assess the existing cabinets and help guide you in the proper direction, whether that be replace or refinish. Give us a call at 888-995-7996 and chat with a member of our team. We'd love to come and meet you in person.